hold your work if you need both hands to do stuff. Your work surface alone can grab your work enough if it's something like plexiglass sprayed with matte acrylic finish, or hairspray, or even a glue stick. Treat both sides and let it dry. The surface will then hold your project in place, so you can use both hands to work or hold your tools in. If you take it off too soon, you can reattach it anytime. And then just snip off the service lines when you are really done. If your surface doesn't hold it, something sticky will. Just stick the first square onto something that will help you make a right angle. And for the next steps, you don't even need that help because the angle is now established. Just keep rotating the shape. You get the idea. Mounting putty. Great for securing small projects that are round or have other complicated shapes. If the stickies are not enough, get clips of all sizes. The big clips will work almost like a vise for small light projects. Small clips will hold things together while you assemble parts or help you make right angles. Like so. And provided you have an angle tool, make any other angles that the occasion requires. For projects like vessels and baskets, you will need work surface with a central axis to keep everything centered. So you can stack the components at the appropriate intervals to get your desired shape. If your project is so fragile that it refuses to be held safely, pin it to a corkboard or a styrofoam sheet for the final assembly. Of course, you can also go with the classic solution and get a real vise. Sometimes you can put the project directly into it, but most of the time you may need some creative solution to hold things in it. But creative stabilizing solutions are the name of the game in 3D pen work. So do whatever it takes to get to the finished project. Here's a video with a few more helpful tips if you are just starting out with 3D pen. Good luck and go and make something!